Today is a very exciting day. Today is the day when we can write an AI agent which can do real tasks for us. They can go beyond our computer and do the real world, real task. So for today's demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my agent that go and find out dentists living around me and get their phone number and their name and write it in a text file. So as you know, Anthropic has released their new APIs with which Anthropic can take control of your PC and do things for you. So here's the document you can read. Go here, docsanthropic.com. Now, this is in a beta release, so we cannot run it in our computer, but we have to run it in the Docker. So before we get started, first thing we have to do is go and get an API key. So you go to Anthropic, to your dashboard. Of course, you have to be a subscriber of Anthropic, and then you can click on Get API Key. Here, you can get the API key from here or create a new key and put your information about billing and what limits you have. You will see here for every model, tokens per limit and tokens per day limitation is there. So this is in beta version, and I'm hitting this limitation again and again, but I believe by the time they'll go in production, this limitation will be taken over. So once you have your API key, what you have to do is you have to go to the GitHub. This is Anthropic GitHub, github.com, Anthropic, quick starts. There you can find out all the detail how you can try it out. So as you can see, they are suggesting to run this thing in a Docker. So let's go and get started with our Docker. So I have this Docker desktop. So in this Docker desktop, you will see a terminal here. So when you click, a terminal opens up, and you copy this whole Docker command which you got out of the documentation. Of course, you have to paste your Anthropic key here in your Docker and just say enter. And then the Docker will start running. It's already installed for me, and as you can see here, it's in use. So now I can go to this Docker, which is here. You go to localhost 8080. And you will find this Docker is running this Streamlit application, which will let you play with Cloud APIs, which can take control of your computer. So here's my command. I'm saying you are my assistant, helping me find the information on web. Wait for a minute between every step. I'm writing this because I'm hitting the limits on token, but this line is not needed actually. And then I'm just saying follow these steps. Go to google.com, search dentist in Maryland, copy dentist name and phone number, and write it to a text file called phone number.txt. So it is done running the whole task. Now we can quickly see what it is doing. So this was my command. When I hit enter, it opened the browser and starts searching dentist in Maryland. And you can see it says, now I can see the search results. Let me create a text file with the dentist information for the first two results. And it creates the file. Let me verify the content of the file. It writes all this, and then it tells me I have completed all the requested steps. Opened Firefox, went to Google, searched for dentist, copied the information in this file, and then I fired another command to see the values in this phone number.txt. And then it is running this, and it is showing me this information, the dentist in Maryland, their name and their phone number. So this is a very quick demo I showed you. Of course, there's a lot of limitation. It's in beta, and I don't have too many tokens. And I cannot go to any social site, like I cannot go to LinkedIn and other places like that. I tried LinkedIn and I got a message saying you cannot do that. But this is giving you a peek in the future, like what is coming. And it's so exciting that literally you can replace a human assistant now with your AI assistant. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Let me know what else you would like to see on this channel.